put the name already. What the heck? Name already. What the heck? No. Click on more on the upper right corner of your live chat. Where is it? Right corner. Didn't have any right corner over here. Pop out chat. Tab. In OBS. Ah, oh, I'm watching more. Okay. 影片吧。
In this video, I'm gonna show you how to In this video, I'm gonna show you how to overlay your comments while live streaming on YouTube Live using OBS. So basically, I'm gonna show you this way to do it. Very easy, very cool, and it's gonna make you look professional. So let's not take much time. Let's get right into it.
No one.
So basically, you're gonna go to Google and type in live chat overlay. Okay, this is the first one. The first one is going to appear should be live chat overlay. Basically, it's a Chrome extension, so make sure you're using Google Chrome. Okay, all you have to do is to go here and click add to Chrome. Okay, as you can see, say it can read, exchange, whatever. Just click add extension. Okay, then as you click to it, as you add it, as you can see in the corner here, it's already added. Okay, you can see here. And when I click to this extension icon, I can see right here. So you need to go here and actually click this pin thing. Okay, so it's gonna stay here as one of your favorites. Okay, click to these three dots. Okay, and we're gonna go click to options. Okay, so basically it's just way to kind of configure some colors and stuff. Okay, basically you don't really have to do much. This is where you can choose some colors afterwards. The default colors, personally, they look amazing for me, so I don't need to you don't need to change much. I just wanted to show you how you can actually customize different colors and all the options that you have. Okay, so but for now we're gonna leave it the way it is, so we don't have to change anything. Okay, just click save. Okay, just in the future, if you need to change colors, you know where to go. Okay, now we're gonna go to OBS, and as you can see, I'm already live streaming on YouTube. I have an active chat going on as well. So let's say hello. I'm gonna add some more some more chats and stuff. So, this is Sam from Live Production Tips and Tools. Okay. So the next step, you can either do it in your YouTube studio or do it on your live stream here. Okay. So let's go ahead and do it in YouTube studio. So we're gonna go here on the chat and click these three dots. Okay. And go to pop out chat. Okay. And as you can see, as soon as you click to it, you have this sample image. This is to show you that the extension is already working. Okay. Now you can highlight any of the comments here. Let's say this one. Let me take the long one. Okay, so let's click to this one. And as you can see, I have this cool image, and the logo, the user logo, the name of the name of the person and the comment. Okay, so make sure you extend it to where you have like two lines, something like that, something like this. Okay, and I strongly recommend, if you're using this option, I think it's better to have two monitors, so you can have one monitor running OBS and another monitor kind of running this chat thing. So but as you can see, every time you click to a comment, it's kind of grayed out. Okay, so this is to show you, let's say if you have responded to a comment, so you don't have to go back to it. You know what I mean? Because people, will be sending comments and all that kind of stuff. So every time you click or you respond to it, it's kind of grayed out. Okay, but you can still go back to it if you want to, but it will still grayed out, so you know which ones that you have kind of gone through. Now we're gonna go ahead and go back to OBS. Okay, And what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a new source to our scene, which is, I have a scene here that I created. It's called test, okay? But this will be your actual scene for live streaming. So let's go ahead and add a new browser source to it, okay? Let's call it live chat or live comments. Let's click OK. Okay. And I'm gonna go back to our live chat overlay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and click to get overlay URL. Okay. And then I'm gonna copy this link here. Okay. And I'm gonna go back to OBS and I'm gonna go to paste this link right here in OBS, and I'm gonna make sure our lines that you have kind of gone through. Have a scene here that I created. It's called test, okay? But this will be your actual scene for live streaming. So let's go ahead and add a new browser source to it, okay? Let's call it live chat or live comments. Let's click to be your actual scene for live streaming. So let's go ahead and add a new browser source to it, okay? Let's call it live chat or live comments. Let's click OK. Okay. And I'm gonna go back to our live chat overlay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and click to get overlay URL. Okay. And then I'm gonna copy this link here. Okay. And I'm gonna go back to OBS and I'm gonna go to paste this link right here in OBS, and I'm gonna make sure the size, it's gonna be 1920 to 1080p. If you live streaming in 4K or 720p, then it's up to you. I'll probably won't need this. I'm gonna delete everything else, and page permission, I'm gonna leave it to read only access to OBS. This should be okay, and click OK. So as you can see, every time I click to a comment, is going to appear here. See, cool, right? All right, so but we still have a little problem. As you can see, it has a black background and it's not overlaying on the top of my image. So what we need to do is we're gonna go to filters. Okay, just make sure we remove this black thing just to make sure.
Okay, get it. We'll do it later. Okay. Study first. 哦，你那边选择繁体是不是动转？对，但是怎么说呢？用那个嗯，OK， 没有人来啊！等我一下吧。我为啥？